Effects of tobacco smoke. Now, smoking causes chronic obstructive lung disease, coronary heart diseases, and increased risk of several types of different cancers. Now, the chemicals in cigarettes are tar, a carcinogen, nicotine, an addictive substance, carbon monoxide reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Tar is a carcinogen and is linked to increased chances of cancer cells developing into the lungs. It also contributes to COPD, which occurs when chronic bronchitis and emphysema, two different diseases which are frequently linked to smoking, occurs together. Chronic bronchitis is caused by tar, which stimulates goblet cells and mucus glands to enlarge, producing more mucus. It destroys cilia, inhibiting the cleaning of the airway, and mucus builds up and blocks the smallest bronchioles. A smoker's cough is the attempt to move the mucus, but it damages the epithelium, resulting in scar tissue, which narrows the airway and makes breathing difficult. Emphysema develops as a result of frequent infections, meaning phagocytes are attracted to the lungs where they release elastase, an enzyme that breaks down the elastin in the alveoli walls to enable them to reach the surface where the bacteria are. Without adequate elastin, the alveoli cannot stretch, so they recoil and may burst. The breakdown of alveoli results in the appearance of large air spaces, reducing the surface area for gas exchange and making sufferers breathe more rapidly. As it progresses, patients become breathless and wheezy. They may need a constant supply of oxygen to stay alive. Now, carbon monoxide binds irreversibly to hemoglobin, reducing the capacity of blood to carry oxygen. Nicotine narrows the blood vessels, so will put more strain on the circulatory system and increase blood pressure.